Here's why chief revenue officers fail. Let me tell you a story that a prospect shared with me recently. They had a growth issues. They were not growing anymore. And they were looking to find a solution to this problem. Their solution was to hire an excellent VP sales from another company to join them as a chief revenue officer. And then the solution of the chief revenue officer was to increase the number of salespeople in the team. 6 months later, the chief revenue officer was out and the growth didn't happen. There's a very simple reason why, is that people are buying from you if they want to buy from you. And the only way to make them want to buy from you is your brand. So regardless how good you are as a salesperson, if you don't have a brand behind you, you're not going to work. That person has an excellent track record in a very big and good company. And so a lot of the results of that person was due to the brand of the company. With an average salesperson at Salesforce, he's still going to sales loads. And a big problem that B2B companies do is that they don't understand the importance of brand. Warming up your audience, tell them why your product is better than the others and so on. 80% of people, when they start to look into a product, they're going to buy a product they already know. Why? Because there's already that trust that is built. No, increasing your number of salespeople to solve your revenue growth is usually not going to make it, and it's the best way to fail. Now, that means that you can't do without marketing. That is correct. If you want to grow and scale, you can't do without it. But then there's also the problem of KPIs in marketing. If you see marketing as a lead generator, and so you have a lot of metrics like the classic one, which is directly attributed marketing. Marketing source pipeline, that's a good one. So when you think about it, this is not why people came to you, that's how the people came to your door. If you impose those KPIs on marketing, they're going to focus on paying for that door to have that little tag saying, hey, this is marketing, instead of investing in brand. So if you do have those metrics for your marketing brand and you complain about your marketing performance, they're not the problem. And you should rethink the KPIs you impose to your marketing teams. There are 3 reasons why marketing fails. The first one is not the right data. The second one is not the right KPIs to evaluate their performance. And the third one is not the right measurements. And this is exactly what we solve. We come in, we solve the data problems, we align with the stakeholders on what should be the right KPI to scale a company. And then the third, we implement the right measurement